How do you test a missile without firing it and destroying it into the process? WFF 48 Stephanie Mills explains in this week's Redstone Report.
In a corner on Redstone Arsenal, you'll find a Redstone Test Center laboratory.
What you're about to see is where the actual test set.
The Longbow Hellfire missile is tested, but it's not your typical shoot and destroy missile test.
Everything we do here is non-destructive.
Applying missile power.
This is the test set itself.
The Longbow test is done through team efforts by RTC and MRDEC. The missile is put through simulations.
It's virtual reality for a missile.
Every time the switch is flipped for another simulation, the missile acts and thinks as if it's in flight on a mission.
We can actually simulate cold and hot environments like it would be actually in different places in the world.
Andrew Burgess is a RTC test engineer who works specifically with the Longbow simulation test. Burgess says with the Longbow missile no longer being produced, it's important to test this way for
maintaining the stockpile. We have taken rounds that are already in our tactical inventory and we retest them again to see if we can extend the shelf life. We're just taking a missile right now that we already have. We're just making sure it works. We just want to make sure that the soldier who is going to have to actually use this weapon is going to have something that they can rely on and will be useful in a tactical environment.
Missiles on their way to being ready for battle. Stephanie Mills, WAFF 48 News.
The RTC team set a goal to test of at least 500 of the missiles. They ended the year with a record 530 completed. You can learn more on this type of testing on WFF.com under the Redstone Reports.